In this episode of the trailer build, we're going to be using some engineered oak flooring, but I'm going to re-engineer it. So looking in here, the floor section is going to fit in this area, and I've sort of marked out what I want the floor to look like, but the challenge is I want to be able to remove these panels, the foot of the bed and the floor, and take it all out and obviously refit it so I can get to and maintain some parts. So I've cut the shapes roughly to fit the pattern. And now we're going to remove this pre-finished face and get down to some raw wood, and then we'll make a start. Now we've at the base, I'm going to transfer all the marks on from the original design. So the cut I've just done is put an ever slight rebate just in that section, and this is for when two pieces joined together. You've got square edges. If the floor was slightly uneven, can't get them two meeting edges tight. So because I've took the call it the back edge, but a slight rebate, when they go together, the top edge will touch tighter than sort of the bottom edge, if you want to call it like that. So we'll do that on every piece once it's fit. So I'll get these temporary fixed, and I will do exactly the same on the other piece. Now these sections are in, I'm going to join this point to that point, strike a line through, and now if I remove this piece and that piece, I can put my track on and cut that through, because the blade will run through that point, and then put them pieces back in, and we'll do it next stage. So cut them out and then make us inserts to go inside there. So in theory now, I should be able to number each piece, take it out, sand it, and then glue it back individually and hope it all goes back together. It should do. Let's give it a go. One more job to do though. I'm going to remove these pieces. We'll take these over to the router table. So I've just put well, it's just a pointed cutter, but what I'll create is on the side, once I run that through, it'll just give it like a little V groove when you join two together. So now I've put this on. When all the boards join, we'll give a nice, like, machined joint, if you want to call it. So I'll glue these in position, these two only. Take everything off, number it all, do it every process with each one, sand it, put the little mould on, and then I'll glue it all back together. These last pieces, I've made them slightly tapered, so when I knock them in, it tightens up. Well, fingers crossed it should. So I'll glue one half and hopefully the tape won't stick. Well, that went a bit easier than I thought. I thought everything had tightened up when I started putting it in, but everything fits lovely. Thanks for watching another video. I need to decide on what finish I'm going to put on this floor, so if you get any suggestions, please leave in comments below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.